Dinner time.
Dinner time. Kakain kami, guys. And wala lang, if you film namin, kakain lang kami. Are we like answering questions or not really?
All we're gonna do is watch us eat.
Yeah. Do you want to answer questions?
Gotta do something.
Okay. Let's find a time.
Thank you, China.
Oh yeah, thank you, Manay. And I made the sauce last
And
night.
John, he caught it.
Yes. Oh, thumbnail, babe. Thumbnail sa.
From now.
Yeah. Ito yung gusto ko, guys, yung taba-taba. You like this one? That part? The fat part? This is so good.
What have you done to it?
What do you mean? Yum. Do you like it?
Good.
What's the extra plate? I'll just put it in here, okay? Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wait, kain lang ako, guys. Kasi kapag nag-start na ako mag-question, hindi na ako nakakain ng maayos. Have you tried the sauce yet?
Yeah, sauce is good.
Na-fail kasi itong sauce kagabi. Buti na lang na-save ni Manay. Sabi ko kay Manay, help! Tinawagan niya ako agad-agad.
Did you forget how to do the sauce?
Thank you, Manay. I don't know how to do it in the first place.
Really good.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Question, are you ready?
That's just for you. What am I really bad at?
Eating? No, you're good at eating.
You just leave that soaking in there.
Yeah, it's really good. Do you want it?
No, it's yours.
What are you really bad at? What are you really bad at? Can you think of something?
No, I'm really good at everything.
Na-murder mo naman yan, uy. Sarap, guys, ng sauce. Manay talaga, grabe.
You can have all that stuff in there.
Or the fat one.
Yep.
Yep.
You didn't answer that question.
But you're not really bad at it. I just think I'm better at driving. You think so?
You're not bad at.
I'm better?
No.
Not better?
No.
Maybe not better, but like maybe I'm more careful than you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which food do I like the most?
Rice. That's easy. That's easy.
You know what? Rice is something that you don't realize you love. Na hindi mo naman sasabihin na, oh, rice is my favorite food, but you eat rice all the time. So, yeah. But what's the food that I hate?
A food that you hate? Pizza.
Yeah, I don't like pizza.
You don't like pizza?
There's more.
Hamburgers.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Cake,
I was
dessert.
gonna say sweets.
Yeah.
Everything I like, Raz doesn't like.
Yeah, so Dan doesn't like
Cut food.
balloon. Quick, he doesn't like quick.
Oh, no, it's quite those little eggs.
Yeah,
Oh no, that's fine.
but you don't eat them.
Yeah, but I mean I don't like it. I just don't. You know, they're not top. Well, there's other stuff I eat before I eat that.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else would you like?
Quite at
Quake.
Laura's house and Tony's house.
Yeah.
Have a week. Yeah.
You don't like dried fish?
No.
He doesn't like canned food?
Nope. What kind of films do I like?
Films?
Yeah.
Action films? Sci-fi? No, you don't.
No, I don't like sci-fi.
Documentaries? What else? What else did I miss? Comedy? You like comedy?
I like comedies.
Yeah. Oh, babe, you careful, babe. Now, how about me? What do I like?
Love stories.
Yep.
Romantic ones.
Yep.
That's it.
Comedy!
Ah.
I like comedy and horror.
Yeah.
But I have my eyes closed the whole time. Ganito lang ako, guys, oh. Hindi naman daw, parang mayroon ako nakikitang konti ba? Pero nakatakip siya, para akong tanga din.
It's good.
Who said I love you first?
You.
But.
You.
Taka-taka, no.
You said it.
No, I didn't. I think I said, I think I'm falling in love with you. Char.
Easy to do. Not easy.
Char, kaayo eh. May pag ganon-ganon talaga si ate. But I didn't say I love you. You said you love me.
No, I said I like your watch.
Where's your money?
How do I drink my coffee?
You're right, you don't drink coffee.
I do. I drink coffee every day.
Not home, not at
Not
home.
at home, because we don't have good coffee here.
No sugar. With cream.
Cream? Where do you get cream from? You mean milk?
Yeah,
Yeah, have milk in it. No sugar.
no sugar.
What was my first job?
Ooh, cashier! Counter! At the counter. Reject shop?
Not really, no actually.
Oh, okay.
My first job was
You've been telling me the wrong story the whole time then, maybe.
Italian weddings. I was a waiter.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
What was my first job?
Call center.
Yep, that's right. That's cool. What's your dream job?
Sporting star.
What?
That's my dream job, be a sporting star.
It's a really nice job, that one.
It is.
Why are
What's
you
yours?
not...
Ah.
Oh, babe!
Oh, that one there.
What are you doing? My dream job?
Yep.
I don't have one. I want to be a stay-at-home mom.
That's our job.
That's the hardest job ever! Stop saying that. Hey, don't say that. You know it's hard. Ito yung mga ganito, sa gilid-gilid ba? Sarap ng taba-taba.
Have you ever played a musical instrument? Or practice one?
Guess.
Really?
Guess. I said guess.
Flute.
No. No. Something like simple, babe.
That's why I said flute.
No, it's not. Another guess.
Keyboard.
Yes. So when we were young, nung bata pa kami guys, may summer class. Pina-enroll kami ni mama sa summer class na nag-keyboard kaming lahat. Kaming 5 ata yun. Malaki na ba nun si Mark? Basta kaming 5. Nag-summer class kami ng keyboard. And I knew one... Basta nakalimutan ko na. Basta ang dali lang nun na... Nakalimutan ko na. Basta si Miss makakaalala nun. But yeah, keyboard. I do not know how to play it now. Kasi sobrang bilis lang nun, summer class. Tapos parang tinatamad ata kami, hindi kami pumapasok. Kasi laro pa more kami, pero yeah. Have you?
Yep.
What?
Guitar.
Oh, really?
I wasn't any good.
Can you play one now?
Nah. I wasn't any good.
Because Marlon knows how to play guitar, tapos si Papa ang galing din mag-guitar. Did you like it? The guitar?
Nah.
No?
Nah.
So you don't like...
I don't like instruments. I'm not good at them.
Because you don't sing. You can't sing.
I can sing.
Yes, you can, but you're not,
I can sing.
like, good. Hindi maganda yung boses mo ba? Di ba kasi yung mga tao na magaling kumanta, parang nahihilig din sila sa instruments. But, do you like singing?
I love singing.
Oh, man,
I
be
do.
honest.
I do.
You don't.
I do.
What do you know?
I know all the songs.
Oh, shut it. Hindi kaya siya mahilig kumanta. Ang hirap mo talaga ka-video. Kasi hindi ka nagsasabi ng totoo. Stop lying.
If you won $1,000, what would you spend it on?
$1,000?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a couple thousand more and I'm gonna buy a bracelet. Ikaw?
What's that?
You? How about you?
I'd give it to charity. I would.
Bot-bot ka.
I would.
give to charity. Pag higara dyan siya, oh. Yung paghinay.
Some sharp things in this.
It is sharp, babe. It's lobster. What do you think is this? Fish? How do I like to spend my vacations?
Editing.
Like vacation, babe, vacation. I do my editing when I'm working. Like, how do I like to spend my vacation?
Like, what do you mean? That doesn't make sense.
Like, when we go on holiday, how do I like to spend holidays?
Feel me?
Ewan ko sa'yo, ibala ka dyan.
How-
Ikaw, I wanna say, I'm just gonna answer it for you.
What is the answer?
Si Dan, watch sports. Yes.
Yeah. Relaxing.
Yes.
That's how I like to spend my days.
I would love to relax. I just can't relax. Look, okay ka lang dyan? Ito oh, sobrang malaman pa. Kainin mo to. Yan.
You're not gonna eat that?
I like the fatty ones. I like the ones that's like, you know, take time to get and to eat. That's the
Okay.
best one, malang.
No, it's not.
Babe, did you put it in here? Put it on outside.
Nah.
Outside. I'm saving the sauce. Do you know that?
What for?
For the other lobster, we still have one left.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
We do?
We do. Isn't it crazy?
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. I'm not kidding.
No,
I'm
no.
not a liar. Babe, we do. Look at me. We do. We do. I promise. You can check the fridge. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
Manay.
you, China.
Ngayon lang niya alam. Who is more jealous?
I already done that question last week.
Just say
You.
it. No. We're not jealous, pero who do you think will be more jealous?
You.
No, I don't think so. I think you. Because I'm so pretty now with my extensions.
Yeah, they look good.
Sabi niya kanina when we went to Kmart, what did you say, babe?
I like your shoes.
Kapuya, niya. Oy, babe, what did you say?
They said you look sexy.
Sabi niya, I look sexy daw, guys. Hindi ko na ito tatanggalin yung aking hair. Babe, I'm just gonna keep my hair forever. I look sexy, mama. Sabi niya kanina, ano ka lang, nung wala kang mahabang buhok, ano ka? Pretty. Ngayon may extension ka, sexy ka. Gara, sakit buwang ay. Babe, Tagalog o full?
Full stop.
Good job! Tagalog of hungry.
Something more.
What?
Something more.
More? No.
Something more.
No. It's not. No.
Give me the first letter. Or
G.
Goomba. Good dog. Good dog. Good bog.
It's your mate.
Sorry?
It's your mate.
Good truck.
Hmm?
No, I don't know.
Trump. Gutom! Babe, your mate Tom!
Tom?
Yeah. Gutom. Why do you always forget that?
No, just do. Too many words.
Gutom. Hello, over. You know like
I know.
3 words.
Okay, I'm ordering a pizza. What toppings?
Everything.
Everything. That's right.
He always gets the full house or whatever yung merong lahat.
The full house.
Yeah, pizza.
The lot.
The lot?
The lot.
Okay.
The full house.
Di wow. Uy, meron namang full house. Tapos na naman siya kumain. Ako wala pa. Babe, spelling bee.
Okay, obsession.
Obsession. O-B-S-E-S-S-I-O-N-S.
Okay.
Obsessions? Obsession?
Restaurant.
That's easy,
Okay,
babe.
great.
R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T.
Okay.
Spell vegetables.
V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. V-I-E-T-A-B-L-E-S.
Spell Vietnamese.
V-I-E-T-E-M.
Oh.
V-I-E-T-N-A-M-E-S-E.
Good job, Malab. Spell Mississippi.
You serious? M-I-S-S-I-P-P.
Hindi ko din...
I-P-P-P.
Hindi ko din alam. I actually do not know either.
That's right.
You think you were right?
Yep.
Nah, I don't know.
Are you a good speller?
I think I am a good speller. Better than you.
Yeah, I'm not a good speller.
Yeah. Hindi kasi... Hindi importante sa kanila ang spelling dito. Is... Like at school, is spelling important?
Yeah, yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
So when you have exams and you spell it wrong, even if you got the answer right, but you just...
I didn't do too many exams.
It's wrong spelling wrong. We usually do that. So even if you got the answer right, if you spelled it wrong, it's wrong. That's why spelling is important. But hindi importante yung spelling nila dito. Like, sa work ha, hindi talaga importante yung spelling. Like, mali-mali yung mga spelling ng mga trainer, ganun-ganun guys. So, hindi siya importante sa kanila. Like, para sa akin, hindi naman siya as in sobrang importante. It's good that you know how to spell.
We don't need to spell.
Yeah.
No, you do. You should.
That's what I
You
said
should,
as well.
you
Like,
should.
it is not like a must.
Yeah, but...
Yeah, because you can look it up. Like math. I had to pass math when I was like in school.
I'm good at maths.
He's really good at math. I had to pass math, so I had to study math, but I'm not good at math.
I'm very good at maths.
But right now, I can survive life just like, you know, I can survive life without knowing the square root of 1 million. You know what I mean?
7.86.
The square root of 1 million? What's the square root of 9?
93.
Yes! Garaas buanga! That's the only one I know. What's the square root of 120?
120.
Yes.
You can't do it.
You can't do it?
Yeah.
What do you know? What's the square root of 90?
Well, you can do it, but it's...
It's point. What's the square root of 90?
Can't do it either.
What are the numbers that you can do then?
Square root.
Yeah.
Square root of 81.
9.
Yep. Square root of 144.
16?
Oh, 12. Stupid.
Maybe I'm just really good at memorization. That's why I know 981. But like, it's not because I'm smart at math at all. I'm not good at math. Hey babe, at least like, you know, you're not good at spelling. I can't say I'm good, but at least I'm better than you. I'm not good at math. You're really good at math. I'm not good at directions, but you are. You are so good. And what else can I do that you can do?
That you can do? That's it.
That's
That's it.
I don't know. What else can you do that I cannot do?
I can draw.
No, oh yes, you can. You keep telling me you can draw, but I've never seen you draw. Can you draw, please?
Yep. How you going over there, babe?
I'm taking my time, and it's really good. What are you doing? Careful with all those spikes, my love. Do you like the sauce?
It
The
was
one
alright.
that I did
Was
last
better.
time was way better. Yeah,
Yeah.
I know, because I had Manay the whole time on the phone.
Yeah.
This one, I only called her when it was too salty.
Ah.
Sobrang ano guys, alat. So, tinawagan ko si Manay for help. Yeah, but the last one was way better.
Yeah. Oh, well, still
Nung
good.
in-invite namin yung parents ni Delba. Yeah. Kamusta ka na dyan, babe? Okay ka lang ba? Sorry. You don't have to eat that, babe, if it's too hard. This is way better than Red Lobster, isn't it, babe?
It is. Red Lobster is shit.
No, it's not.
It is.
I like the dip.
Dip sucks.
Pero yung lobster, hindi siya ganun kasarap. Mas masarap talaga to kay Manay. Maybe it's a different kind of lobster as well, but still lobster. Still expensive. But yeah, this is way better. Tapos yung sauce ni Manay, ay walang tatalo talaga. Ay! Mamamatay na yung battery namin, guys. Our battery is dying, babe.
That's
We
right.
should say goodbye, mga.
We should say goodbye.
Guys, yun na yung video. Thanks for eating with us, people.
Thank you for Manai and John again.
Thank you. Thank you, Manay. Thank you, John. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to goodbye.
Bye. Mwah.